Yo, what's good? It's your boy General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, man. And today we got the off-white Jordan 2 joints. We got the black royal colorway, and this one is okay. This one's okay. I'm not a fan of Jordan 2s. When I heard that Off-White was doing a Jordan 2, I said, man, I'm not really feeling that. I'm probably gonna skip on that one. I ended up seeing Joe DePuma do this one with Sneaker Shopping. I think he was with Jadakiss or something like that, and I saw these and I was like, oh, those are actually kind of hard. I really am not a fan of Jordan 2s. You gotta really be an OG sneakerhead if you like Jordan 2s, and I may be semi-OG with it, but I still just don't like the silhouette. These ones go for a pretty penny on StockX and Goat. I'll put the prices up on the screen for y'all to see. Just remember, this is a UA shoe, so I'm just showing you guys what the shoe looks like. So if you do get a retail or a UA or whatever you get, this is what you should expect to receive. And I like this one. I think there was two pairs. The white and red pair came out first, and then I think this one dropped shortly after, or vice versa. I'm not sure which one came first. I do like both pairs. I just like the black one better. So before I get started breaking down the shoe and the colorway, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Follow me over on Instagram where you'll see the latest and greatest. Check out my Reels page. I'm gonna be posting a bunch of different Reels of just different shoes in my collection, just so you guys can see them, give you guys a little history or something like that, a little background of each one. And also follow me on the TikTok. I haven't posted a lot on the TikTok recently, but the TikTok is popping, you know what I'm saying? So this one right here is from our friends over at Yes Yeezy. They went ahead and sent these over. Go ahead and check them out online. So breaking down the shoe, we have a all black upper, and if I'm not mistaken, this shoe was originally taken from a shoe that Michael Jordan actually wore in game. That's why you get like this weird cracking on the midsole. You see the cracked midsole, that's the most distinctive thing, but they rebuilt it, I believe, with a 3D printer, and then they rebuilt it, put a new upper on top, and then bam, there you go, you got this one. Now I don't know what actual shoe this specific colorway is modeled after. I don't think Jordan actually played in a black and blue shoe, but I think they just took the midsole from one of the shoes that he wore and then they rebuilt it with the 3D printer. So all black upper. The leather is very nice, I can't lie. I think it's really good. You know, for me, the Jordan 2 is just not a dope shoe. I just don't think that it is, but I think having this in hand makes me appreciate the shoe itself. I see a lot of influence from this shoe in the Jordan 3 and the Jordan 4, and you kind of still see a little bit of that Jordan 1 influence with the toe box, so definitely not bad. The design of it, I think it is based off a Porsche or something like that, but I can't really say for certain. You know, the shoe is actually kind of slick in a low top version. I like the low, really nice leather on these, but I can say that this shoe is heavy. This is a heavy shoe. I don't know how MJ or LeBron or any of those guys can play in shoes this heavy. I mean, it really feels like wearing ankle weights, honestly. It's heavy. So I don't know, but moving on, we got Jordan's signature here. Pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? Looks good. We got the cracked aged midsole right there. I guess it's supposed to be black, but they rebuilt it. You can see that. I think that's a pretty nice touch. It is rubber, but it is a heavy rubber material, I can at least say that. Polyurethane or thickened rubber piece here on the back. The heel of the shoe looks pretty good, nice and sturdy. Blue laces coming up, and we also have extra sets of laces. We got the cream sail lace, and we have a black lace. I think it's supposed to have like a off red, like a pinkish type of lace. This is what I got, so that might be where Yes Yeezy is lacking there. Eyelets look pretty good. I do like this little blue kind of curving, like almost swoosh looking type of design there. That looks okay. Got our nice perforations on the toe box right there. Medial side of the shoe, you have that off-white Nike in the very large bold letters. Outsole of the shoe, you got some remnants of like cracking that they kind of left there. I don't know if there's anything missing on this. I'm not savvy with Jordan 2s. I like the coloration, I like it. It looks pretty good. Inside the shoe, the insole of the shoe, Virgil's face there, and then you have the Jumpman logo there. Tongue of the shoe, you got that rubberized Air Jordan Wings logo, and that looks nice as well. So the other shoe came with a hang tag. It's got this off-white yellow. It looks like somebody may have cut this with like a box cutter when they were trying to open a box or something like that. It does look like it is accurate. I don't see any flaws with it. I just take these things off anyway. If I had to choose, I would leave the blue laces in there. I see a lot of pictures online of the red laces or pink laces in it. I'm not a fan, but I do like the blue lace. I think the blue lace looks pretty slick. Overall, the shoe is okay. It's not too bad. It's a collector's piece, really. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give it a solid 7 because I'm not a fan of Jordan 2s, and that's just my overall rating for materials used in construction. I think it looks good. I'd probably give it a solid 9. It's a dope collaboration. So that's my review. I hope this review was informative for y'all. I hope this helps you make a decision. I think it's good to have a Jordan 2 in the collection, and if this is one of them, then that's dope. This is my only Jordan 2 that I own. I think Ama Maniere is making a Jordan 2 as well, but it's a high top, and that one should be coming soon, so keep your eyes out for that. Let's jump into this on foot, y'all. Y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. Enjoy this on foot, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I'm sorry for the grainy video, y'all. I'm doing the front facing camera joint on my phone right quick so I can get this out. The lighting just sucks right now, so this right here, all of this graininess, it's because the lighting and this camera and the front facing camera is not as good. This shoe right here was done in the video. Dope shoe. I mean, I like it, but I'm not a fan of the Jordan 2. I'm still not a fan of the Jordan 2. I'm not really feeling the silhouette, but this colorway right here, black royal joint, I definitely like this particular pair. I'm not saying that I like Jordan 2s just because I got an off-white one now. I'm not saying that. I do like the Jordan 2 better in the low top colorway. It's very plain, very simple. It goes hard with these blue laces. These blue laces hit different. I do like the midsole as well. I think that was a nice touch. I was gonna do an on foot outside, but I think I just waited too long. The lighting's not there. It snowed real bad last night. Now it's raining, so it's a lot of ice outside. I'm just not trying to deal with it. So I think what we're gonna have to do is do like a video, like an on foot inside the house, and then we could try and wrap the video off up there because I'm gonna run to the store right after that. So let's just jump in the house real quick, do an on foot, and come back. All right. This was a dope shoe. I'm glad Yes Yeezy went ahead and sent these over for me for the review. This is the only pair of Jordan 2s in my collection. I might get the Ama Maniere joints. Maybe I might break down and get the Chicago looking colorway of these. As for the medical stuff, I really actually didn't have anything prepared to talk about. I mean, there's a lot of different things we could go over. Let's just say this. Everybody wear your mask. Everybody wash your hands. Make sure you keeping yourself isolated from everybody else. Just because everybody's getting the vaccines and the booster shots and all of that, it doesn't mean you still can't get the virus. You can still get the virus and you can still spread it to other people. Just make sure you be aware of that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you be aware of your own health and the health of other people. So just keep washing your hands, keep social distancing. This thing isn't over. It's still here. It's real. Just take care of yourselves. We'll have something medical for the next video. And until then, I'll see you on the next one, all right? Deuce.